In other news, Justice Secretary Leila de Lima could not resolve for now the petition for review seeking to overturn the resolution of the first investigation panel in the Ortega murder case. Marje Navarro will tell us why.
The petition for review filed by the Ortega family in relation to the killing of broadcaster Doc Gerry Ortega remains pending before the Department of Justice. The said petition seeks to nullify the decision of the first investigation panel of DOJ, which cleared former Palawan Governor Joel Reyes and former Coron Palawan Mayor Mario Reyes, the alleged masterminds in the killing. This is to remove all doubts on the resolution of the second investigation panel, which found probable cause to indict the Reyes brothers. But Secretary Leila de Lima says she couldn't resolve the petition for now because it will affect their appeal before the Supreme Court.
If we resolve the petition for review, which questions yung dismissal by the first panel of the complaint for purported lack of probable cause, it will weaken our position in that petition. Because precisely, I thought of creating the second panel dahil nga yung first panel ayaw na nilang tanggapin yung additional new evidence that was then being proffered by the camp of Ortega, the complainant.
DOJ filed an appeal before the Supreme Court to challenge the ruling issued by the Court of Appeals, which declared that the creation of the second investigation panel is illegal. But de Lima insists the Secretary of Justice has the full authority to create a new panel because of the refusal of the first panel to further handle the case.
Kung i-resolve po namin yung petition for review, kailangan i-withdraw muna namin yung petition na yan sa Supreme Court. And magtataka ngayon ng Supreme Court. That means yung parang ang magiging impression, weak yung arguments namin when we are insisting on the plenary authority of the Secretary of Justice to do that, yung pag-create ng second panel.
Because of this, even if she would want to grant the request of the Ortegas to resolve the petition for review, it will be difficult to do it for now. De Lima plans to meet the top officials of the DOJ to discuss the issue. Marje Navarro reporting for Y News.
Justice Secretary Leila de Lima confirms that the leader and members of a private armed group implicated in the deaths of 35 PNP staff troopers in Barangay Tucanlipao, Mamasapano, Maguindanao last January are also facing charges over the Maguindanao massacre. In the complaint filed by the DOJ-NBI Special Investigation Team, the private army is named Massacre and is allegedly headed by the Ampatuans. 37 respondents in the killing of SAF troopers bear the address of the office of Mamasapano Town Mayor Benzar Ampatuan. The mayor is among the 50 new suspects in the Maguindanao massacre charged before the Department of Justice and currently undergoing preliminary investigation.